To most people, this is simply a vast open pit carved into the earth. But beneath the surface lies one of the most demanding industrial environments on the planet, where giant machines work together around the clock to keep some of the world's biggest mines in constant motion. Every hour, enormous excavators, ultra-class haul trucks, powerful bulldozers, and specialized support equipment move extraordinary volumes of rock and ore, forming a production system built on precision, coordination, and relentless power. In today's journey, we'll explore these engineering giants in action, from massive loading operations and endless hauling networks to the incredible machines that transform raw landscapes into the resources that build modern cities, industries, and infrastructure around the world. So prepare to step inside a world few people ever witness, where human ingenuity and hundreds of tons of steel come together to power the world's largest mining operations. Our journey begins in the fast-paced environments of industrial quarries, where the legendary Caterpillar 980 wheel loader rules the production floor with absolute authority. Weighing approximately 31 tons and packing an aggressive powertrain, this nimble industrial giant is equipped with a high-capacity bucket capable of handling up to 8 cubic yards of material in a single pass. Watch as it relentlessly loads bentonite clay, a highly valuable industrial mineral used globally, into heavy-duty Ranco end dump trailers, well known across North America for their indestructible construction. The CAT 980 establishes a seamless, unbroken loading rhythm across the mine, proving that true efficiency is found in every synchronized link of the hauling chain. Every scoop is a calculated strike, moving massive bulk efficiently from the pit directly to the processing facility. If you think this agile loader is impressive, the next machine takes things even further by conquering one of the most hostile volcanic terrains found on Earth. Working in a quarry near Selfoss, Iceland, the Caterpillar D10T demonstrates the immense power required to handle the region's rugged volcanic terrain. Weighing approximately 70 tons and powered by an engine producing nearly 600 horsepower, this heavy-duty bulldozer is designed to move massive volumes of basalt, crushed rock, and other volcanic materials used in road construction and infrastructure projects. Its wide steel blade and powerful undercarriage provide the traction and pushing force needed to operate confidently on steep quarry slopes and uneven ground. With slow, relentless precision, the D10T pushes dark volcanic rock down the quarry bench, creating a controlled flow of material toward the collection area below. While giant excavators often take center stage in large mining and quarrying operations, bulldozers like the Caterpillar D10T perform the essential groundwork that makes every stage of production possible. Without its relentless pushing force, the entire infrastructure supply chain would simply grind to a halt. But when it comes to raw, high-volume extraction, our next giant scales up the size to achieve something completely mind-blowing in a single movement. Enter the high-stakes coal stockpiles, where the iconic Caterpillar 992G wheel loader demonstrates why it has been a respected industrial powerhouse for decades. Tipping the scales at approximately 100 tons and fueled by a heavy-duty engine delivering over 800 horsepower, this colossal loader features a massive, specially engineered coal bucket. In an astonishing display of performance, the operator drives the 992G into the coal face and completely fills an entire 4-axle haul truck in just one single pass. This unbelievable efficiency minimizes idle times and injects millions of tons of valuable fuel back into the global energy cycle at blistering speeds, making it an indispensable asset. This level of efficiency is the result of years of experience working in harmony with one of the industry's most capable machines. As we leave the wheel loaders behind, we step into the territory of heavy-track excavators, starting with a machine built for absolute precision and durability. Dominating the mid-size mining tier is the Caterpillar 6015 hydraulic excavator, a machine that proves productivity is not defined by massive size alone. Weighing a staggering 140 tons and propelled by an 800 horsepower engine, the 6015 is engineered to load massive haul fleets rapidly while keeping operational costs to an absolute minimum. Its hyper-responsive hydraulic system allows every swing and bucket drop to remain incredibly smooth, even when tearing into abrasive rock and harsh mining conditions. Day and night, this engineering marvel maintains a continuous flow of raw material, acting as the vital, beating heart of modern surface mining operations worldwide. If you are enjoying this deep dive into the world's most powerful engineering marvels, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel right now so you never miss another high horsepower adventure. Now, prepare yourself as we cross the 200-ton threshold into the realm of true multi-million-dollar mining legends. We drop directly into the vast coalfields of NCL Singrauli, India, where the legendary Komatsu PC2000 operates around the clock to meet relentless production demands. Weighing approximately 200 tons and unleashed by an engine hammering out over 1,000 horsepower, this massive hydraulic excavator utilizes a colossal 12 cubic yard bucket to strike directly along exposed coal seams. With razor-sharp precision, it lifts several tons of valuable fuel with every single pass, effortlessly loading waiting haul trucks while completely minimizing spillage. In a massive mining complex that extracts millions of tons annually, the PC2000 is an indispensable titan, transforming exposed earth into a continuous supply of global energy. Witness the pure mobility of the Hitachi EX2600-6, a 260-ton mining giant engineered to adapt instantly as open-pit mining phases constantly advance. Powered by advanced twin diesel engines generating a combined output of over 1,500 horsepower, this heavy excavator commands a massive 17 cubic yard bucket with extreme structural force. Watch as it crawls across the treacherous pit floor on its colossal steel tracks. A carefully planned maneuver coordinated by mine planners to minimize costly downtime. Once it reaches the newly exposed section of the ore body, the EX2600-6 immediately resumes its steady loading rhythm, proving that flexibility and brute strength are the twin pillars of survival. At this exact same weight class, our next machine faces a completely different challenge, handling one of the heaviest and densest elements on Earth. Deep within the iron ore pits, the Liebherr R994 shovel excavator serves as the absolute centerpiece of heavy metal extraction. Matching its rivals at approximately 260 tons and backed by an engine pounding out more than 1,300 horsepower, this industrial giant wields a 17 cubic yard shovel designed to tear into solid, iron-rich rock. The R994 forces its way into the earth, loading heavy Caterpillar dump trucks that must climb out of the deep abyss toward the primary stone crushers. This seamless sequence is the very backbone of modern civilization, transforming raw, deeply buried ore into the steel structures that build our skyscrapers, bridges, and global transport networks. Everything we've seen so far has showcased the power of individual mining machines. But what comes next reveals how the world's biggest mines achieve something even greater, an entire engineering system working as one. This is the absolute apex of heavy engineering, the ultimate coordinated mining system featuring the Komatsu D375A-8 bulldozer and the colossal PC4000-8 front shovel. Before a giant excavator can begin loading material, the ground itself must be carefully prepared. In this operation, the Komatsu D375A-8 bulldozer shapes and levels the mining bench, stripping away fine overburden without the need for blasting and creating a stable working platform for the Komatsu PC4000-8. Weighing approximately 400 tons and powered by an engine producing around 1,800 horsepower, the PC4000-8 is equipped with a bucket capable of carrying up to 29 cubic yards of material in a single pass. Together, these massive machines form a perfectly coordinated mining system, where every piece of equipment plays a critical role in maintaining safe, efficient, and uninterrupted production across one of the world's largest surface mines. Far beyond simply moving earth, this coordinated operation reflects the scale and planning behind today's largest mining complexes. Every pass of the excavator, every push of the bulldozer, and every truckload delivered contributes to a carefully engineered process that keeps production moving while preparing the landscape for the mine's next chapter. Every pass of these mechanical titans completely reshapes our world. Drop a comment below, hit that like button, and subscribe for more high-horsepower industrial adventures.